So when we measure from this leg to this leg, you know, the obvious measurements are the 456. In that 41 zone, right where we are now, this is the 5. So today, I guess I'd have to say that I'm thinking that 48 to 52 needs to hold. And this will be this is a double. This is a minor break here, so too soon to tell. But I like fading the 48 to 52s. And then we really need to see if there's any legs coming backwards. So compared to where we were a few days ago, Thursday, I don't think you have the same opportunity here going long that you did once this started to push up. And this is the hard part, you know, but once it comes off the bottom, then Friday's, you know, opportunity, we just happened to guess right on that idea, and then where resistance would come in. This was obviously the high that we were working off of. You can see we've just got a minor high right now. So Class A divergence right here, which we had picked up at the time, said, okay, you know, should bounce. The question is how high. And once we start bouncing, nobody knows how high. No, absolutely nobody. That's what makes trading. But we know where targets will be step by step. So looking at the 120 chart, we've come a long way. And I think the most confusing thing for traders is for us to get a pullback today, because then it becomes a horse race. And I do want to point out this 20 zone right here, you know, we've got a gap back there in the 24 area. This will be confusing for a lot of traders first time back when we get back here, because some will be reading this as an inverted head and shoulders right here. And all of the super bears, we're thinking probably we would not get another high, you know, after Friday's high. And their measures already, I saw some of them measuring in the mid 50s, you know, 1550s. You know, you got to go step by step. Only after you break this low can then you say, all right, now we can put the measure on. It's premature to figure that until you get your ABs before you get a CD. So my advice, scalp short, as we said at the open. When you guys came in the room, the notes were there for you. Said I think we should be using that 48 aggressive stop and up to 52. And the idea to come back in towards the gap play. So this is that 41.5 area that we had talked about the other day. And my advice today, be conservative. It's going to take some time for the market to figure this out. You know, this is where Friday's resistance zone was. So we're coming back on a retest right now. And I think we got a two-way day. I think it's going to take a little time for the market to figure this out. But I do believe we're ahead of ourselves.